Okay, Jason is back for his full forecast. Jason, I'm going to co-sign on something you said earlier. A 10 out of 10 fall day in Maine. In a few minutes, you'll see that I was outside today and loved every second of it.
I mean, how could you not? I mean, it's day whether you were raking the leaves or you were out riding the bike or doing the pumpkin thing. It was just perfect. However, Sam, don't come after the messenger.
Yep,
It's got to turn, right? It's got to change. Now, I want to say tomorrow is not going to be a terrible day, but it's not going to be a perfect 10, okay? So 57 degrees right now. It's all clear in Portland. Wind south at 10 miles an hour. Pressure is steady. And in Bangor, 56, wind out of the south. That's the key. So I want to say it's not going to be terrible tomorrow. We're going to have the wind out of the south to keep the temperature up. So it's a nice evening, especially if you're walking the dog. Looks fine. Cloudy on your Sunday, not rainy. The rain does return, though, as we get to late Sunday into Monday. So try to hold things off to start of the work week versus the weekend. Satellite and radar now, you're seeing nothing. The entire state clear and dry. However, heading down to the south, you're seeing where that rain is beginning, and the clouds are starting off the coast of North Carolina. Eventually, this will make its way north. We have high pressure that is just slipping to our east on the weather map, and what that's doing is it's blocking that system right now, but eventually these clouds are going to move their way up north into New England around that high, and yes, we are going to have rain, just not so much tomorrow inland. Definitely clouds. You will not need the sunglasses. We get up to around 60 thanks to that wind out of the south. For the coast, mid-50s. Here come a few showers at 6 o'clock. I wouldn't cancel any plans over this tomorrow. The rain gets heavier later. As I'll show you right now, planning your evening tonight, high clouds moving in. Here are those along southern Maine into central Maine, northern Maine, down east. But we're going to stay dry all night. Chilly, but not as cold because of the cloud cover to help insulate the atmosphere with that blanket on top of us. 5 o'clock in the morning, 40s and 50s. And notice just a ton of clouds tomorrow, middle of the day. And the green, that does not get here tomorrow. So neighborhood highs are going to be in the 50s and 60s throughout the day tomorrow. You see in Yarmouth, Brunswick, Wiscasset, and that's a little bit above average. Average high is 57. Down east, how about Eastport, 58, Calais, 63. I mean, no complaints whatsoever about those temperatures. And speaking of no complaints, the storm is coming Monday, and look what it's bringing. It's bringing warm temps. I mean, these are the kind of temperatures you don't normally see around here at the end of October. However, as we get to the last weekend of October, notice those 50s back on the board. So hour by hour temps into your Sunday, 50s and 40s if you're doing outdoor activities. If you're going to rake the lawn, blow those leaves off the lawn, or do anything with, the whole pumpkin patch, corn maze, getting into the spooky season. Tomorrow, not the sun, but you'll still have temperatures staying about average for this time of the year. So no complaints whatsoever as far as temperatures go. They could easily be a lot cooler around here. As we know, it could even be snowing this time of the year. It is not. Seas building 2 to 3 feet for the Mariners. Small craft advisory is up, and that is for tomorrow. Really going to be a bumpy one. And the forecast inland 60s for several days. Here's the rain on and off into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We clear out by Friday. Same thing at the coast. This is not going to be a big storm where there's a huge contrast between the coast and inland, about the same temperature-wise. I will tell you by next weekend, though, we're getting back into the holiday/spooky spirit, because back to some 50s, which no one's going to complain about around here. Not
in late October. Like you said, like every other year, it's snowing right now.
Right.
So.
No complaints whatsoever.
All right, well, we hope you all took advantage of the beautiful day outside, because the rain is coming. Jason, thank you.